There needs to be something for the hook and eye to go into at the end of the clasp, and that's what we call an easy link. I've taken 1-inch piece of wire, I've already straightened it and flattened it at both ends, and to make the easy link I'll just take my round nose pliers and I'll make a little loop, which is what we call an easy pin, and I'll make a loop which goes in the opposite direction, like so. And I'll get my needle nose pliers. I want to break the neck, as we call it. Just by bending that back and just closing up that gap again. And that is what's known as an easy link. A variation of the hook and eye clasp is I've taken a 1-inch piece of wire, straightened and flattened at both ends, and I'm just going to simply make a figure of 8. To do that, I twist one way, and I'll twist another way. Just straightening that out there. And that's a simple eye clasp.